Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add another account on Facebook. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Facebook application. Here it is, then you will see this interface, this homepage. After that, at the bottom right, you need to click on the menu button right up here. Then you will see this interface. You need to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then you need to click on the last option, logout, and then click on the red button, logout again. After that you will see this interface. There is different options. You need to find use another profile option. Here it is, and then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to enter your mobile number or your email address, and then enter your password. And then click on the blue button, log in, and after that your new account will be added. And that's all, and that's how to add another account on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.